In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your EGR valve without removing it. Yes, it's possible. And yes, it works. If your car's been hesitating, idling rough, or giving you that dreaded check engine light, this might just be the fix you need. What is an EGR valve? First things first, what even is an EGR valve? EGR stands for exhaust gas recirculation. It helps reduce emissions by sending some exhaust gases back into the intake to be burned again. Over time, this valve can get clogged with carbon deposits, which affects engine performance. Signs your EGR valve is dirty. Here are some signs that your EGR valve might be clogged. Rough idling, engine knocking or pinging, poor fuel economy. Check engine light with codes like 401 or P402. If that sounds familiar, stick around. We'll walk you through a simple way to clean it without taking it out. Tools and materials you'll need. You don't need a lot for this job. Here's what you'll need: EGR valve or throttle body cleaner, a screwdriver or socket set, a vacuum hose or small tube, safety gloves and goggles. Optional, scan tool to clear codes. Locate the EGR valve. Every engine is different, but most EGR valves are located near the intake manifold or on the firewall side. Check your manual or look online for your car's specific setup. The cleaning process. Step by step of the process now. Let's get to it. Step 1. Warm up your engine. Start the engine and let it idle for 5-10 minutes. This softens the carbon buildup and helps the cleaner work better. Step 2. Turn off the engine and access the EGR port. Locate the EGR intake or vacuum hose that feeds into the valve. Disconnect it gently. Step 3. Spray the cleaner. Insert your straw or hose into the EGR port or vacuum line. Spray the cleaner in short bursts, about 5 seconds at a time. Let it soak for 30 seconds, then repeat 3-5 times. Step 4. Start the engine again. Reconnect everything and start the engine. It may run rough for a few seconds. That's normal as it burns off the carbon. Rev the engine lightly to help clear it out. Optional, take a short drive. A quick 10-minute drive can help blow out any remaining debris. Just don't go full throttle right away. Aftercare and tips. After you're redone, you might want to use an OBI2 scanner to clear any error codes. If the check engine light comes back, you may need a deeper cleaning or full removal. And that's it. You just cleaned your EGR valve without removing it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DI car tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want us to cover another topic.